Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? I've got this old trusty Mercury 60 horsepower outboard motor, and every time the fall comes, you ought to think about changing the gear oil and the bottom unit. If your bottom unit, if the gasket's gone on the shaft, it can pick up a little bit of water, and if that water freezes over the winter time, the whole part of the lower unit will freeze and break. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change that. This is the Quicksilver gear lube that's recommended for the Mercury outboards. You can see I have a fancy little pump which is available at any hardware store to help transfer this oil back into that lower unit. I'm going to go ahead now and pull a drain plug, and you're going to see how easy it is to drain. There it is. Now, if you can see that that cloudy appearance to that oil, that means that the lower unit here has picked up a little bit of water this summer and has mixed with the oil. If we had left that in, that would have frozen and broken this lower unit. I'm now going to take the vent plug out. And it'll drain a little faster. See how ugly that oil looks? We're going to put some fresh gear lube in there as soon as that drains out. Good things take time, so we have a couple of minutes today, and we have a gorgeous day to do this today. I'm going to put a little bit of fresh oil in the top through the vent to flush some of that milky oil out. Yeah, it's a good thing we're having this done before the fall kicks in. Hopefully all of you guys are enjoying these videos. I have a lot of fun making them, and I've now hit another milestone. We're well over 1,100 views. Thank you very much. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button, and I'll keep posting more videos for you. This is taking a little longer to drain, but that's okay. It's now starting to drain out. A little gold is in that milk. And it's a good thing it's a warm day, otherwise it would take longer for this to drain out. We're getting down to the end there now. Starting to look a little golden. We're now going to put this little pump right in here. Which is not going in very well today. Oh, there we go. We got a little more oil to pump out there. There we go. There we go. Now we're going to start watching this golden oil pump up, and it's now filling this cavity. And as soon as it starts running out of this little vent hole, we will then put that cap back in and take it off. The engine's probably breathing a sigh of relief at this point. Oh, there it is. Don't lose your little vent screw. And we'll just put that right on. By putting that little vent cap back in there, It's like putting your finger over the end of the straw. When we take the bottom off here, we won't actually lose very much. There we go. And that's the way you change the lure unit oil on an outboard motor. Thanks very much for watching. It's been a little bit of fun today. Press the subscribe button, press the like button. We'll see you next time.